Bow window installation is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their property's aesthetic appeal and functionality. Our window installation experts in Murray specialize in custom bow windows, offering a wide range of window style options to suit any home design. Homeowners searching for bow windows Murray can rely on appreciate our detailed window design consultation services and tailored renovation solutions. Energy-efficient windows are essential for reducing energy costs and improving home comfort. Our energy-efficient bow windows in Murray are designed to provide superior insulation, helping you save on heating and cooling expenses. We proudly install bow windows Murray residents trust, including double-glazed windows and insulated window units for maximum efficiency. Window replacement services are crucial for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your home. Our home window replacement services in Murray include vinyl window installation and window glass replacement to keep your property functional and stylish. We specialize in bow windows Murray homeowners choose for beauty and durability, providing complete window contractor services for every project. Residential window installation is vital for addressing issues such as drafts, leaks, and broken glass. Our residential window services in Murray include window frame installation, window seal installation, and window sash replacement. From installations to new bow windows Murray installations, we also provide window hardware installation and weatherproofing to ensure long-lasting performance. Custom window installation in Murray allows homeowners to personalize their window designs. Our window installation experts provide window measurement services to ensure a perfect fit for your custom bow windows. We proudly offer vinyl bow windows and bay and bow windows Murray homeowners prefer to enhance curb appeal and interior space. Window maintenance services are essential for prolonging the lifespan of your windows. Our window maintenance in Murray includes regular inspections and services to prevent costly replacements. We help protect your investment in bow windows Murray properties feature by offering window pane replacement and professional glass services. Window contractor services in Murray are designed to provide comprehensive solutions for all your window needs. From window design consultation to professional installation, our team handles every step with care. Whether upgrading to modern bow windows Murray homes benefit from or completing a full renovation, we ensure precise measurement and expert craftsmanship. Window replacement cost can vary depending on the type and style of windows you choose. Our window replacement cost in Murray is competitive, offering affordable options for every budget. We make upgrading to high-quality bow windows Murray homeowners desire both accessible and transparent with detailed estimates. Window renovation solutions in Murray are tailored to meet the unique needs of each homeowner. Our services include exploring window style options and expert design consultation to achieve the perfect look. We frequently recommend bow windows Murray residents love for their elegance, space enhancement, and natural light benefits. Window installation experts in Murray are dedicated to providing high-quality window services. Our team specializes in bow window replacement and complete installation services to ensure lasting results. For premium bow windows Murray homeowners trust, we also offer consultation services to guide you from concept to completion. Window measurement services are crucial for ensuring a precise fit for your new windows. Our window measurement in Murray is conducted by experienced professionals who guarantee seamless installations. Accurate measurements are especially important when installing bow windows Murray homes require for proper alignment and energy efficiency. For top-notch bow window installation in Murray, look no further than our expert window contractor services. Specializing in custom bow windows and energy-efficient bow windows Murray, we provide comprehensive design consultation and professional installation. Our services make upgrading to bow windows Murray smooth, stylish, and cost-effective with competitive pricing options. Residential window services Murray are our forte, offering everything from window frame installation to window sash replacement. Our window installation services Murray include glass replacement and window seal installation to maintain optimal performance. We proudly install and service bow windows Murray homeowners rely on for long-term durability. Upgrade your home with our vinyl window installation and double-glazed windows Murray. Our insulated window units and energy-efficient options are designed to reduce energy costs and enhance comfort. With elegant bow windows Murray properties showcase, including bay and bow combinations, you can fully customize your home's aesthetic. Our window renovation solutions in Murray include window pane replacement and maintenance services to keep your windows looking like new. Whether you need sash services or frame installation Murray, we are ready to help. We also specialize in upgrading and maintaining bow windows Murray homeowners depend on for enhanced beauty and performance. For those seeking window installation Murray, our consultation services provide expert guidance on selecting the right design and style. We offer custom window installation Murray tailored to your needs. Many homeowners choose bow windows Murray for added dimension and curb appeal, and our renovation services ensure flawless results. Choose our window glass services Murray for high-quality pane replacement and weatherproofing solutions. Our insulated windows Murray and vinyl bow windows Murray are ideal for improving home efficiency. We also maintain and installation bow windows Murray installations to keep them performing optimally year-round. Our window replacement services in Murray are second to none, offering options to suit every budget. From frame installation Murray to sash services, we provide complete solutions. We are known for installing bow windows Murray residents trust while delivering exceptional workmanship and customer satisfaction. Experience the best in home window replacement Murray with our professional contractor services. Our design team works with you to create the perfect aesthetic, and our precise measurement services ensure accuracy. When it comes to installing premium bow windows Murray homeowners prefer, you can trust us for outstanding results.